Okay, I'm taking a look at this kind of fire resistant shirt. Good for welding or grinding metal, which I do a lot of grinding and stuff, so I really like that. This is a large, and I would normally wear a medium shirt, so just so you know, this actually fits pretty good. It is over a shirt, but if I would have got a medium, the sleeves might have been too long, so keep that in mind. Other than that, it's comfortable. Nice button-up buttons here. Does provide pockets and stuff, so if you want to put stuff in the pocket, and of course you could tuck it in, but I'd rather leave it out so it just protects more. So I got a grinder here and some metal. I'm doing a little grinding and show you. Alright, so you can see there is absolutely no damage to this shirt at all. Just a little bit of metal fiber dust on it. It's still in perfect good shape, so that is really good. No holes or anything like that from the spark shooting off. Definitely really happy with it. It's going to be great, especially if I'm laying down and doing some grinding and stuff is falling on me. This is going to definitely help protect me from any issue like that, any sparks. Now, these guys are nice enough to send this out to me to do this review. And I really want to thank them for that. There's a logo right there for you. I appreciate it. It's just really a nice shirt overall. Okay, there's another logo right there too, if you want to see that. I'm very happy with it. I like the fact that it's really going to help out. And you can button this up right nice and tight here, up in the neck as well. So help stop stuff from going down, especially if you're laying down or whatever, stuff's falling on you from grinding. So yeah, definitely really good. Couple spots you can tighten these cuffs up if you want to. There's an additional snap, so it's not just the one. Not only that, there's another double snap right here to make sure nothing is going to get inside there. So really well thought out, I think. Very happy with it. And I want to thank this company for sending this out to me to do a review. I really appreciate it, and I hope this short video helps you out and you can determine whether or not this shirt is right for you. But definitely gets 2 thumbs up for me for sure.